I'm a procrastinator and I be procrastinating a lot. Hey y'all, welcome back to another makeup tutorial. It's your girl Aisha Slay here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, hey girl, hey. I'm gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna try not to make this video as long because I'm really just doing a simple makeup look. So I've already did my brows, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna go in and start priming my face. I'm gonna be taking the Too Faced Hangover Primer. Y'all should already know what kind of primer I use, but it looks like this. So yeah. And you guys still haven't let me know what y'all think about my Wednesday. I was gonna do it yesterday, but you guys didn't let me know what you guys thought about my Wednesday. So hopefully I get a response by then. But also, if you guys haven't checked out my last few videos, go ahead and check those out. I will be leaving the link to my video right here, so you guys can go check that out. I should have grabbed my hair tie, but hopefully I don't get no makeup on my face, so we're good. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Taking my NARS foundation. If you guys recommend any good foundation, please let me know in the comments down below. Anyways, I applied 4 drops. That's literally all I need is 4 drops because a little goes a long way. I'm not gonna be doing too much. What do y'all want to talk about? Like, give me a topic. I just be bored. I don't know what y'all be want to talk about. Let's talk about these ain't shit ass niggas. No, I'm just kidding. But what do y'all want to talk about? It's so crazy because I'm so shy in person. But it's like when I'm not recording, before I start, I got so much to say. But as soon as the camera come on, I'm literally quiet as a mouse. Like literally. I'm so ready to be in a bigger city. It's crazy. Like, that's all I think about. Because this little ass city is not for me. And then the people from your hometown don't even support you. Like, I got to go. It's not for me. I cannot wait. But I'm working on it. Give me a couple years, a year or two. Bet you. I want to go to California. Like, that's my dream place. Like, I love California. I used to want to move to Atlanta so bad, but I don't know. So I'm just using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Scuff and Concealer. Oh, and a secret to a snatched nose, y'all want to make sure y'all contour the side of your nose because it hides the actual fact of how big or wide your nose is. So yeah, that's a tip. So like here, so I want to hide all of that. So when I contour, they're not gonna notice. I need to start talking to you guys more because I be so into my makeup. Y'all probably be like, what the fuck? This girl don't talk. But y'all, I'm camera shy. I gotta get used to this. Like, it's crazy. I'm not used to talking to myself. Like, I'm not used to just sitting the camera down and just talking to it because it feels weird to me. Like, it feels weird. So that's something that I gotta get used to. I gotta start talking to y'all more. Taking my beauty blender, starting with my chin. Oh, and if y'all want to see like different ideas, comment down below. Let me know what y'all want to see because I'm tired of doing the same thing for real, for real. I was gonna like do different content. I was gonna show you guys how I cut and style this unit that I have on my head, but whew, child. I'm a procrastinator and I be procrastinating a lot. So. My neighbors probably think I'm in this bitch talking to myself. I'm going in with the NYX concealer. I be so focused on my makeup, I don't even be talking. That's why y'all need to give me a topic to talk about. The next time I post a makeup tutorial, I'll have something to talk about. Now it's time to set my face. I'm taking the translucent honey setting powder by Laura Mercier. I'm not taking too much. I'm just literally pressing this into my skin. I'm not going too crazy with it like I normally do. For my nose, I am gonna let this sit a little bit, just so my nose can be a little snatched. Not too much, because I'm not trying to overdo it. I love going in with blush on my nose. It's just so cute. Like it just, I don't know, it give you like that little cute button nose. So cute. Now I'm just going in with the mascara. Applying this to the top and bottom of my lashes. Taking a NYX lip pencil. This is in the shade Dark Brown. Just going in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is Fortune Cookie. It's literally my favorite one. Like I always use this one. I have so many, but I always gravitate towards this particular one. I don't know why. Okay, I do know why. I'm gonna be throwing on a little lip gloss to make this whole look pop. Now it's time for my favorite part, which is highlight. I love highlight. Sometimes I be wanting to overdo it, but I don't be wanting that. Cause the highlight that I use it has like a blue shimmer to it, and I don't need to be walking around looking like no avatar. And then that highlight on the tip of the nose with the little blush. So cute. Yes, it's a baddie, period. But let me go do my hair and then I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram. I will be leaving my name right here in the screen so you guys can head over there and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys on my next video.